Okay, so I just want to show you how we use the import export tool in Frappe. So we come to the tools here, we hit on tools here. We'll see the tools workspace and then we click on import data. Now here we need to select a particular doc type that we want to use to import data into. So we'll click on add data import and it will expect us to select a doc type, for instance, the lab test template. So that's it here. And then it will ask us for the import type. For instance, is it inserting new records or is it updating new records? So if you do inserting new records, everything will be inserted as a new record. If you click on update records, then it means sometimes, for instance, client wants to just update their price list. So it's the same items, but the price list has changed. So Frappe will take its time to compare and find those that are the same. And then it will just update the fields that have been updated. So in this case, we are just doing insert new record. So I click on that and then I save. It will save the test template thing and give it the date. It will use the date to save it. It's actually saving it as a background process. That's why I spend with time to save it. Then now we can click on download template. So download template will use the doc type we selected and then show us all the fields in that doc type. Here in this lab test template, we have the test name, the department which we want. These are mandatory fields anyway. And then we can add the item and the item code if we want to. In this case, most of the time the item is the same. The name we'll put there will be the same as the test name. We can put the item code if we want to. Then item group, well, fine. Then if it's billable or not, obviously it will be billable, and the rate. The rate is normally the price. The description and other things here, if you want to add them, that's fine. A few others we wouldn't worry ourselves about. So then we click on export. So export will just export the thing like this for us. That's a template. Here, I forgot to show you something. Here we have a blank template, or we can just choose to add some records. Normally, you just add about 5 records to serve as an example for your clients. So I'll click on that, and then it says export, which would export that one. So when you come here, we have the particular file that was exported with the sample data that we've put in. So I'm just expanding for us to see. So as you can see, the item group is laboratory. The departments have been shown. The test names are here. And as we said, the test names are the same as the item names. So we'll leave it for the clients to fill. And then whether the item is billable or not, which we will select as one. And then the rates are here. So basically that's it. Then once our client fills up the whole form, we'll come back to the same import export thing and then just click on attach. So once we click on attach, we'll browse to the file that the client gave us and then we just attach it. And then once we click on upload, it will import everything also as a background process in our on our server. So with time, everything will be imported, and then that will be it. So this is just a quick example to show you how we do the import export. Thank you.